Hello guys, let's solve today's problem of the day. Jai ho Virat Bhaiya ki. So we are given two sorted array. This is really nice problem. We are given two sorted array, and this is the important part. Distinct, they have distinct integer. Array 1 and array 2. Each array may have some common element with other array. Like it is possible there are some common element in between these two array. We have to find the maximum sum of path beginning from any array to end of any array. You can switch from one array to another array only at common elements. When we switch from one array to another array, we need to consider the common element only once in the result. Okay. So this is the input. Let me first simulate how this is working. Okay. So this is the input. So we have two array 1, 2, 3, 7, 5. Okay, 2, 3, 7. Sorry, 7, 10, 12. Array 2, 1, 5, 7, 8. Important thing, non array are sorted and element are distinct. Distinct. Important. And sorted array are sorted. This is also important. So we have like what in which way we can move, like we selected this element, then this element, then this element. Now if we want to select this element, we have the same element in this array too. So if we want to, we can change the path here like this. We will count the value only once, but we are changing the path. Now we are in array 2, so we selected this element. So how is the total sum we get? This way we get the sum 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8. 8 7 15 15 20. Another way is, let's start from array 2. This we got this, then say 7, and do not switch the pass. Then this will we will get this way 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. So it is somewhere around 21. Okay. Now same way, but here I am switching. So now what I will get? 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12. So this is the highest 6, 13, 25 and 35. So this is the answer. One mistake is that you do like it is not necessary to be same element on same index. Like if it is something like this, like there is one something error like the okay. If array is something like this 1, 2, 5, 7. So we can do this like we select this element, this element 9, 9, 9, 8. Then select this element. These are same element. So count only once in the sum, this element, then this element, and so on if you want. So it is not necessary to be same element on same index. So we cannot do like something like we cannot keep a one level and we are counting which is the maximum, then consider this in the sum. So that thing we cannot. So what I can see is, let me read the page. Suppose we have two array 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 4, 6, 7, 10, 12. First common element we are getting here. Okay. So what I can see, like before first element, what we will check, like after on same element we can switch, and it is not important which path we are using. So what we are doing, like if I'm getting any same element here, so I can check which array has the maximum sum before this, like this. If our 7, so this sum is 3 and 5 8, this have some 8 and this have some 13. So what is the good? It is good to keep the sum 13, right? So this is the important thing. Like if we are at same element, so we will assign our final sum equal to maximum of sum1 sum1 is the summation of element of array 1 and sum2 plus ARR of I where the elements are same. ARR 1 of I equal to ARR of 2 of I. This is if this is the case. This is the case, then like what if, like, from where we should start and in which move what, like how? See here, it is better to start from here, right? Because 3 is bigger than 1, obviously. So we are started from 3. Now we will move to 4 or 2. We have to find like which. Now I am here 1 and here 3. Now I want to check whether 3 is in this array or not. So what I will do, which is the smaller one? 1 is smaller than 3. So I will move this pointer to this pointer. 2 is still smaller than 3. So I will move to this pointer. Now what I see 5, 3 and 5 is not same. What does it mean? 3 is not present in the array. So now what I will check, I will check whether 5 is present in this array or not. So for 5, now I will move this pointer, because here it was 3 and now it will 4. It is still less than 4. Then I will move to this. Now here it is 6, means 5 is not present. Now I will check for 6. This way we will move the pointers, and whenever we are be getting this kind of this type of condition, then we have to do this. Okay, let me show you the code once, because this is important for coding. Okay, so let's see here. This is the array size and n array size. I and j are pointer for array 1, I for pointer of array 1, and j for pointer of array 2. Now someone is the sum of array 1 elements, and sum 2 is the sum of array 2 elements, while I less than n and j less than m, while we are not crossing the limit of arrays. We are in the boundary, or like, let's say we are in the size of array. So what I have written there, if AR of I and AR of j is same, so what I will do, sum that we have counted till now, so maximum of any of them, which one have maximum, like sum 1 or sum 2, whichever have maximum, we will add this value to this. So like, let's say array 1 has till now, array 1 has 3 and 5. Here you can see before 7, this had 2 and 3 5, and this have 6. So we will assign 5 and 6. So we will take maximum of 6, and AR of 1 is 7. So this way we will assign sum equal to 7. So what we can say, till 7 maximum possible sum is 7. Maximum 13. Till 7 maximum possible sum is 13. This way we can say. And now I have moved the pointer ahead for both. And what is the condition for other one? If AR of I less than j. If AR of I less than j, and which means this, like AR of 1 for this one, whichever have smaller element, like here this one have smaller element, right? Because AR of j, this is the condition. So what I will do, I will add this value to sum, and I will move this pointer forward. I will move this pointer forward. So because this will efficiently handle the case where there is no common element. So if there is no common element, we will move this way, this way, this way. At the end, we will get sum 1 is the sum of all element, and sum 2 is the all element of array 2. So this way we will assign. And what will happen? Okay, this condition. Why this condition? Because this length are not same, so I am adding this condition also, because whatever the reason, it will handle both cases, because like I ended first or j ended first, it will handle the both cases. Now at the final, take the maximum of these two. So see the code one or twice. I will add the code in comment section, or I will share the link of code in comment section. Thank you. It is a very important question, and code is very important. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Try to realize why it is happening. This case is I have explained very clearly, and this part you can understand by intuition. You can also understand. The important thing is array is sorted and element are distinct, so there is no complex cases, right? Let for you, let me submit this. I have already submitted this. I will get correct answer, I am sure. Okay, what is saying? It is logout issue, so don't go that side. See the code once again. Okay. Thank you guys. Please subscribe our channel. And if you want more content like this, so I just started my channel. Please subscribe and support me.